What's going on, guys? JSGC here, and we're here for another video. Today we're going to go and do a Manchester City construction update, where we're going to go and see all the latest happenings around the Etihad Stadium and the Etihad Campus as well, including, very nearly, may even be complete for the new Co-op Arena, the latest developments on the North Stand redevelopment and expansion, and of course all the happenings around the North Stand, including where you're going to find all them new bars, restaurants, hotel, museum, etc. We'll go and check out. I've heard some cranes are up as well, so we'll go and see what the latest is happening with that. So if you are new around here, you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do leave a thumbs up, and you can go and check out my social media too. They're in the description. So let's head to the Etihad Stadium, let's get the drone up, and let's see what is happening. we go, construction update all completed. Co-op Arena, they had a tester event yesterday. They had not all of the arena open, just some of the arena. So I don't know if they're hitting some little snags here and there. They've got a big event happening, the opening event on Tuesday, 23rd of April, with Peter Kay doing a comedy performance at the arena to open the arena. So if there are any little teething snags, they need sorting, as they did the tester event yesterday, getting all the safety certificates and everything all sorted. Is coming along nicely. Is it going to be done for Tuesday? Well, it needs to be done for Tuesday. So at some point this week, it should be all completed, all done, ready for that event on Tuesday. In terms of the women's training facility, they've asked for permission. I'm not fully aware if they've been granted permission for them to start building that training facility. There doesn't look like there's too much room at the City Football Academy. All I can think of is at the back of the Academy Stadium is there's a little bit of space with a car park next to the training pitches where it could go there. That's where I suspect it may go, but that isn't factual as to where it's going to go. We're not going to get factual information until they start working and getting construction on that. That's not going to happen until they've got all the stuff passed through all the councillors and everything. Construction. In terms of the North Stand expansion, doesn't look like they've started too much work inside the stadium. Outside of the stadium though, got cranes up, they're getting the steel structure in place, ready for the expansion, much like what happened with the South Stand. So really looking forward to that. I suspect that you're going to see much more development on that as we go into the post-season through May, June, July and August. And of course, with what's happening with the Fanzone outside as well, quite a lot of development, all the foundation and groundwork getting sorted. And as the arena's being completed, I presume that they're going to be moving all the construction workers over to start progressing with that. So I suspect over the summer months, with hopefully some nicer weather, we will start to see more development on the North Stand and the outside area of the North Stand as well. And of course, if you're enjoying the content, guys, you want to see more construction updates, leave a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. That lets me know that you guys are enjoying the videos and you want to see some more. Social media links, they're in the description if you want to go and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. Email also in the description too. If you want to hit me up for any sponsorships for any videos or any general business inquiries, do get your thoughts as well in the comments below. And I'll see you all real soon. So I've been JSGC. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope everyone is safe and well. Peace. Ciao for now.